Aloha mai kākou, o wau o kui, o ka hōʻolelo o kēīa la o ia hoʻi o ka ipukukui. Hello folks, today's word of the day is ipukukui. Ipukukui. Now some of you might know what a kukui is. A kukui is a candle nut. In this case, it is well what it's intended to be. A candle, yeah. Ipukukui actually means lamp. So kukui, back in the olden days, they used to use that oil to light up their houses, their walkways, a kukui helepo, a lantern, things like that. Okay, so ipukukui, a lamp. Okay, let's use that in a sentence. E hōʻā I ka ipukukui. Hōʻā I ka ipukukui. Hōʻā I ka ipukukui means turn on the light or turn on the lamp. Meikai, ahui ho kākou.